Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something special for all you outdoor enthusiasts and DIYers out there. We're talking about the Guard Shield Heavy-Duty Tarp, the best waterproof tent material available in the market. This 10 by 10 feet green multi-purpose thick waterproof poly tarp cover is an absolute game changer. Let me break down what makes it stand out. First, let's talk about thickness. This tarp is a whopping 10 mils thick, making it incredibly sturdy and durable. Whether you're camping, covering yard equipment, or need emergency roof patch material, this tarp can handle it all. Check out these rust-proof aluminum grommets every 3 feet. They provide excellent anchoring points, ensuring your tarp stays in place even during strong winds. It's portable, washable, durable, and reusable. Plus, it's suitable for various purposes. From protecting your tent, pool, or vehicles to providing shelter from the elements when camping. With a water resistance level of waterproof, you can trust this tarp to keep you dry, no matter the weather conditions. But you don't have to take just my word for it. Look at those customer ratings. With an impressive 4.6 out of 5 stars, this tarp has won the hearts of over 4,000 satisfied customers. Customers love the thickness, quality, and size of this tarp. One happy camper mentioned it's thicker than your average tarp, and true to size. But, as with any product, there are some mixed opinions, so let's dive into the details. Now, let's talk about some practical applications. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or an outdoor adventurer, this tarp has got you covered. For campers, this tarp can serve as a reliable shelter from wind, rain, or sunlight. It's a must-have for any camping trip. Need to protect your vehicles? No problem. It works great as a car or motor vehicle cover, keeping your ride safe from the elements. For those yard projects, pool maintenance, or protecting your boats, this tarp is your go-to solution. It's tough and versatile. Now, let's talk about value. Priced at just $21.99 for a 10 by 10 feet tarp, it's a steal. Plus, you can find similar options from Guard Shield for different sizes and purposes. So, if you're looking for the best tent material waterproof tarp that's thick, durable, and versatile, the Guard Shield Heavy-Duty Tarp is your go-to choice. Don't miss out on this fantastic product. That's it for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Product Critique, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.